Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install and make an account for Roblox. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Open your web browser. Go to the Roblox website. Step 2. Sign up or log in. If you don't have a Roblox account, click on Sign Up and fill in your information to create a new account. If you already have an account, click on Login and enter your login credentials. Step 3. Find a game. Once logged in, you will be taken to the Roblox homepage. Browse or search for any game you want to play by clicking on Games from the top menu. Select a game by clicking on it. After choosing a game, click the green button or the play button on the game page. Step 4. Install Roblox Player. If Roblox is not installed, a prompt will appear asking you to download and install Roblox Player. Click Download and install Roblox. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Roblox. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once the download finished, find the downloaded installer file. Run the Roblox installer. Click on Login and enter your login credentials. Step 7. Play Roblox. Once the installation is complete, go back to the game page you wanted to play. Click the play button again. The game will automatically launch in the Roblox player.
Nah, I don't use those. So that's what got me killed last time, bro. Oh, sir, come over here. Oh no, that will come over here with this.
Oh, fuel.
Okay guys, those are the steps on how to install and run Roblox. See you guys next time. Peace.